How to fix Amazon orders not showing. For the first solution, what we're going to do is we're going to clear the Amazon data. For that, head to your phone settings. Now scroll down and look for apps. Here you'd want to find Amazon. Then under usage, you'll be able to see storage. Go on ahead and clear the cache and data. Sometimes even after clearing the data, some leftover files may still remain. So go on ahead and uninstall the Amazon app. Once you do that, you want to try restarting your phone. And now that you are back, you again want to head to Play Store and download Amazon. Secondly, you might be facing the problem because the country you choose when you place the order and your current location look different. Now for you to check if that is not the issue, go on ahead and open the app, then click on the hamburger icon on the bottom right. You'd have to scroll down, then head to settings. Now go to country and language. Make sure that you've selected the correct region. Lastly, don't forget to tell Amazon customer service. Right below settings, you'll see the option for that. You just have to go there and tell the Amazon customer service about your problem. So that is how you fix Amazon orders not showing on your app. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.